Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Kingston and this is Unity Edu Consult. In this video we are going to talk about layout, how to create your own layout, how to bring in your own columns and how to save that layout for future use. So in Primavera P6, what is the meaning of layout? You can see here, a layout refers to the visual arrangement and organization of various elements on your screen, such as columns, fields, buttons, and toolbars. So we have two types of layout in Primavera P6. The first layout is the default layout, the one that came with the software, and the second type of layout is the user-defined layout, the one you created yourself. So now in Primavera P6, let's talk about the use of layout. Layout will make your work very easy, you understand. For example, if you are working with project managers and you are working with your stakeholders and they say, okay, we want to see this particular columns, so you just pull them out, and instead of you to be pulling them out every time, you can also save them, you understand, so that it will save you time, you understand, so that anytime they just need it, you just bring them out. So for example, this project I'm working on is a resource loaded project, you understand. I have a lot of resource in it. For example, we can see the layout here on my screen, classic schedule layout. This one here is default layout, you understand. So right now in this video we are going to create our own layout, you understand. I want to create my own resource loaded layout, so please pay attention, you understand me. I'll come over to this place that says layout. I'll come down to columns. I'll click on it. So right now I don't need this one that says predecessors, so I'll take them out. I don't need remaining duration, I'll double click to take it out. I don't need schedule percent complete. If you don't want to double click, there's another step to do it. If you don't want to double click to take it out, you can just click on it once, then you come over here to this arrow that says remove from list. You just remove it. Yeah, right now I don't want to see start, I'll just take it out. I don't want to see finish right now, I'll just take it out. Yeah, so now the next step is I'll come over here to this place that says available options. I'll click on it, come down to group and sort by. Yeah, click on list. I'll bring in my budgeted expense cost, I'll bring in my budgeted labor cost, budgeted non-labor cost, and budgeted total cost. So let's move over to P6 and do that right now. Yeah, here is it. I'll bring in budgeted expense cost, bring that in. I'll double click to bring it in. If you don't want to double click, there's another way you can do it, you understand. I'll just click on it once, this budgeted labor cost. Then I'll come over to this place that says add to list, the arrow that points right, you understand. So the next one I'm going to bring in here right now is budgeted non-labor cost. I'll double click. I need budgeted material costs. I'll double click on it. And I need budgeted total costs. I'll also double click on it. So right now, here are all the columns I want to see on my screen. Activity ID, activity name, original duration, budgeted expense cost, down to budgeted total costs. Now the next thing I will do is to click on apply. When I click on apply, I'll click on OK. Here is it. So here are my resource loaded columns that I want to see on my screen. So now the next thing you are going to do, because if you change the columns without saving it, it will go away, you understand. So right now I want to save these particular columns so that anytime I just move into Primavera P6 and maybe my stakeholders or my project manager says, okay, just show me our resource loaded columns, you understand, I'll just move into that place and I'll take it out, you understand. So we are going to save this layout. To do that, I'm going to click on layout here. If you can follow my mouse pointer, click on this layout. I'll come this first option that says layout. If you keep your mouse pointer there, another small dialog box will come out. So now, right now, I'm going to click on this save as. Now this save as will give you the opportunity to type in your own layout name. So I want this layout name to be my resource loaded layouts. Then I'll click on save. Yeah, here's it. So I want us to take note of something. Let's go back to that layout. This is the layout. This time around I'll click on open. I'll say no for now. So I want you to notice something. We have the global layout and we have the user admin layout. Now this is it. This global layout was created by the software. You understand? It is already there. So if you want it, you can just go and pick anyone you want and it will open those columns for you. Now this user admin is your personal. You understand? The way you want it, the columns you want to see on your screen, the way your managers want it, the way your stakeholders want to see their columns. You understand? So anytime they just need it, you just go in there and bring it out to your screen. So here is it. Here is the one we created right now, my resource loaded layout. So now if you want to bring it out to your screen, you just click on that particular layout, click on it and come to your right hand side and click on apply. When you click on apply, it is going to bring out that layout to your screen. Do you understand? Please, if you found this video helpful, like the video, drop a comment. Your comment and your feedback matters a lot to us, and please make sure you subscribe. If you subscribe, we'll be able to grow this channel. Thank you for watching this video. You are my very important person. If you watch the video up to this point, it means you learned something today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.